Everyone, welcome back. And we're here first. We're gonna kick it off. I'll do some warm up. It's a challenge with the weather, but what can we do? What work with it? Let's write this up like this. Wow, country ball. You definitely early today. The first one in. Again. That's more than early, man. Yeah, I wanted to start earlier, but the power. It's been a challenge with the power, man. Every time they turn on the electricity, it got hit over and over again. So we're still without power. Our phone is at 76%. Yeah, man. So yes, Governor Whitey, big up yourself. There, man. And you don't know your crib. Hey, yo, country ball. Yo, check out this view, man. It's one of my family member home house. Check it out. Check out this view, bro. Huge house on the hill, you know. I don't know, man. Is it early though? I don't know, but I don't know, man. I could have started earlier, man, but it's been challenging lately, man. The power been in and out, man. Mostly out though. Yeah, the view is fire, yeah. Governor ends in, man. Better than yesterday? Alright, so we're gonna warm up first. You guys never see me warm up before, so let's warm up first, right? Oh, today was a cooking. Yeah, I was gonna, man, but the power is the problem, you know, because when I cook food and left it over, it just keeps spoiling, keep losing everything, because there's no electricity, so the fridge can't work. It's a big challenge, you know. See, right time I'm like gonna click the button for start the meditation. It'll take a while before you see people tapping, but they get quicker and quicker, you know, boy. Although G is still, for instance, G always tuned. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, man. It's crazy. I lost like three pot of food. Like whenever I cook and leftover, it doesn't always spoil, you know. Just because we got no electricity, man. So just messed up. So messed up, man. We can't do it better, but I guess just wait and hope for the best, you know. Yo, Ricardo, what's good? What's good, man? Yeah, for real. Cause right before the hurricane, everything was smooth, you know. For real. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. I hope they're working on it though, bro. Cause this is the third time. Is it third time? Second time? I think it's the third time. So something is definitely wrong. All right, let's do some of this. Yeah, definitely, man. I mean, they got their hands full right now, you know, because as I said, we're reviving from the hurricane, so they're busy, island wide. But that's still no excuse though. We need the light. We need the power.
That's gonna be me asleep.
Haha, boxer. I mean, why not? If I get the opportunity, bro. To be honest, even even bodybuilding, because you know I'm living in the countryside here, and there's no gym, no program, nothing for me to get like in like bodybuilding competition. Because that would be something interesting for me, you know. I would love to challenge that. Yo, David, too fast. What's good? What's good, man? I'm not too bad, bro. Here, with still no electricity power. Conserve battery, seabird. I mean, how can we? Unless we live some boring life. David, too fast. What's good, man? How you been? Baby. Haha. Yeah, yeah. He said you build like a brick house. One arm push up? Yeah, yeah, it's been a while though. I'm gonna have to do one in a bit. This guy, man. David too fast. Boss said beat boss. Boss said G really too fast. Do some slow triangle push up for the chest. Nice. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. Hey, Gonzalo, what's good? Appreciate you, man. That means a lot, man. Gee, them tapping in. Country ball. David too fast. Andreas. Let's get it. How much likes if we start with see, tell me. How much likes if we start with?
So,
The stream. Just tell me a number. How much likes if we start off with? Or how to start off with?
50 likes.
50?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Let's get it, man. More KFC chicken? What did you eat today? I ate some mutton today and some rice and peas. Mutton and some rice and peas. Like, just 2 plate though. 2 plate. Mutton with rice and peas. Do the one arm push up? Yeah, yeah, gotcha, man, definitely. Yeah, yeah, rice. I try to eat a lot of rice. Andreas Gonzalo, here in Switzerland, it's 12 minutes after midnight. Oh, wow, wow. Heavy too fast, eat snapper, grouper, kingfish. 1 a.m. there, yeah, yeah. Country boy, I remember you said you're in the UK, right? Yeah, man, that's crazy. That's a few hours ahead. God. Let's start with the right arm. He said one arm push up. I don't know. Was that clean? I don't know. It's been a while though. Now, Romania right now. Okay. And David is in Florida. 6:15. It's 5:15 here. I don't want to get stuck in London. Oh yeah, for real. Knife violence is high, huh? Word. Oh, they're good for real? I don't know. Those one-arm push-up are they clean for real? Clean as Mr. Clean. Them one arm. Appreciate you all, man. I don't know, man. It's been a while, you know. Yeah, no, but I see it. See you was pleased to boy, look what we done stream on that forward out. Being as a European. It's about we the dog their world league. Go one there for the league with Messi and cry about what they are. Yeah, man.
We're from what the light dog. We are responding everything.
Which ball off you again? Like it. Let me see. Which club side and which ball?
Chelsea.
Chelsea.
Yeah, Hazard.
Hazard.
Under Chelsea.
Bueno. Yep. Was that clean on? I'm here trying. It's been a while, man. It's clean for real. Appreciate you, man. I appreciate you, though. I love Jamaica. It's a dream to visit. Word. Spray them knees with W40. I hear them cracking. Wait, no way you heard that. No way you heard that, man. Wait. You guys want to check out the view? Check this out. Bro, I have to keep showing them the view. The view is just... This view is different, you know? That's my cousin right there in the background. Jesus laying down, you know? Yeah, beautiful, huh? Yeah. Oh, you here? Yeah, bro. Gonzalo, for real.
That's your voice.
Is it, bro? But ever since we slow down, the number them drop, but I just part that man. He said no. Oh wait, he's here in the chat. He said no. He's here in the chat, man. He said he's just relaxing. Alright, there's another way you can do triangle push-ups. Not really triangle push-ups, but push-ups for the triceps. You can do it like this. Let me set the phone straight up. Nice, clean. Set the hands like this. Let's do it like skull crushers. I have to do a high reps though. That's the thing. Like over 30. Oh. That's 18. Me free, release me out of. I'll be hearing that song. See, do a check on your phone of the streams, volume check, and see if we can hear that Sunday night.
Yeah.
There was a copyright. Check on your phone of the streams, volume check, and see if we can hear that Sunday night. Shit. I hear a song?
It was it. I think I get compared to that.
Yes, you are.
They fire.
No, sir. When you pick up it, I'll get you one.
No,
Water with me right now? We get copyright later and see you're in trouble, man.
Yeah, I go to. Yeah, make that background. I'm not sure, so okay? They're not directly a place out there. I'll be there, you're afraid. So I'm not sure. Put that here.
Now I get grinding. Can I ask you something? Gonzalo, who, me? I apologize, I'm just reading out the message. Oh. You're lucky he was going to give you CPR.
What? What was it?
That's what I say, yes. LOL. A close call. Looking like a dead fish out of water. They said for real. Listen, bro needs some water.
Real.
Do you have water with you right now? Is that me or our governor? It's very expensive there, I think. He said it's very expensive there, I think.
Oh. I'm good.
Give the other guy some, LOL. Well, his bro said you. He said my bro needs some water.
No, bro.
These guys are funny, man. Yo.
I'm gonna keep people on the 500 push up.
I want you to push up.
Like that, yeah.
Oh yeah. Yo, we're gonna keep going. We'll do about 100 of this or something.
Boom, boom, boom.
Drinking some boom. Man. Drink them energy, the bad man. Can't stay at home. I'll touch your road. Ooh.
You go do something right now. Simple sauce up there. Like ex military.
Gosh. Man. Yo. So that's good for triceps right there. They say, yeah, don't lie. He said if you get like 1K viewers, he will do 500 push-ups. Oh, you said do 10 right now. Get hydrated. I like to come there, but not in luxury hotels. Like to learn how the people. Oh, you wanna come like out here in the rural area, Jamaica, yeah. Yo, HP Midway, what's good? Oh, guy said he's ex-military. Oh, what's his drink? Oh, he's drinking that energy drink called Boom. They ask you, Governor, are you shaped like Western?
No.
Yo, Governor, oh man, they want to see you. He said no. He's just chilling right now, man. All right, let's back to the video. All right, so we did about 30 of those already. So let's do 100 of that push up there for tricep. Having the time of his life, chilling, huh? Yeah. Let's do 100 of that. You guys know I like to do 100. Anything I'm doing, I like to do like 100. But when I'm active up top. Up. 13, 15, 45. Let's do 100 of that, man. Haha. Do 100. Governor tell us a joke. Yeah, Governor, he said he hear them chips out loud. It's 45. Let's do straight to 100. Yep. Yeah, yeah. What are you munching on? All right, in Jamaica, yeah. We're in Jamaica. What is munching on? Frito Lays or Pringles? Or Doritos?
Yo. How are you? Eh?
Munching on some crackers, some
What are you
biscuit.
and dog? Wait. Uh-uh. Two circular.
Oh, God. So 59. Six to one. $67. Oh. Ah. Ah. Is that 70? Ah. Hey, yo, Lucas, what's good? Appreciate you, man. Got 30 more to go.
Mbappe's Madrid sign. This will make you reconsider Mbappe's love for the band. Of course, you've seen Mbappe saying that he fulfilled his dream by signing for Madrid. Let me show you what his dream looks like. Mbappe came to Madrid as a free agent, so he'll receive a signing bonus of 163. That's the highest signing bonus in football history. He'll make 7.
Let's keep burning. Let's keep frying. Is that 80? Got 20 more. Fastest way to big triceps at home, no weights. Just this, trust me. Yo, they say governor is on some presidential right now. For real. And West is on the grind. Appreciate you all, man. For the last one, do one arm push up. Gotcha. So take a break. Nah.
How am I hear that?
It said governors watching Mbappe text to speech.
Bro, how am I hear that?
It's loud and clear. Remember, I said I see him phone we are using them, man. The iPhone don't miss nothing. So I know it's a pick up the music once the Lord. Let's get this cash, man. Too much time wasted already.
Did you know come now?
They'll look right up here. Yo, yo. Yeah, make see no forward straight up.
No?
Oh, you can do this many push-ups. I try to do push-ups. At least daily, man. Yeah, even though sometimes I lift the weight, but they tell governor to join you, LOL. Governor said whenever we got like a K viewers watching, he's gonna do 500 push-up. Yeah, so the thing is, all right. Yeah, so the more push-ups you do, is the more push-up you can do. Yeah. So if I do 20 today, I'm gonna do 40 tomorrow, or 30 tomorrow, 40 the other day, 50. You just keep working on the numbers, and I'll keep growing. You have to keep growing, keep elevating. Yeah, what?
What's that? Food, my weapon. I'm all about the food.
That's what Shelly do.
Tell him to like come on and come back in the darkness.
Sure, I know. And what's me don't call me say, you know, I mean, make she come find out. Make she come in a good mood and then she find out that. I don't want she found on a bad mood, you see it?
Yep.
It's not over 100. Push ups for triceps. For your cousin that?
Beryl.
Mm-hmm. Nah, he's not gonna join, man. And the space is limited, but we might
One next day.
yeah, maybe a next day though, you know. Yeah, maybe a next day. And if see boy don't forward the bag of night and forward yeah.
Maybe. I don't know.
Take the. Now back to our favorite push-ups. Some triangle. Oh wait now. Yo, video get black, you know, I see me, I blame me. Can't tell me brawling.
No, I'm not thinking. I said I'm not sure. I'm not thinking about it. You know, I'm not direct. You know, can't edit out it. Not the police sound. That's me the YouTube.
But that time there, your video don't get slow down. And when anybody edit it, it's not flourish and nobody not see it. And if your numbers in highway, I see it don't drop. Yeah, it's like a drop, eventually.
Yeah, go on, man. Yeah, do it on take out.
He said maybe bro will stop munching on them chips. Gonzalo. He's a Jamaican king. country ball for real.
This is. Well, what's it name?
It'll make them laugh, you know.
Yes, yes, yes,
Triangle push-ups, key. Yeah. Oh, this chat is getting creepy now.
No, that's it. That's a real heavy.
Weird, you know.
That's it.
I thought that.
Mm-hmm.
And pain.
I'm sleep back.
Mm-hmm.
Outside.
Up, up. Oh yeah. Look, my dad. What's part of rubbish there, bro? You know, see? Oh. What's happening here? That's another thing, man. A lot of vehicles passing by. Just vehicles. Are you want to see? Some people there coming in from funeral. Oh, the shouting. Yeah. Oh yeah. Up. Temperature on Jamaica right now. Yo, Seabird, check your phone and what time now. I do live stream yesterday, guys. It was raining like crazy earlier. You know, this there. Seabird, when there? No, night time. The temperature. How much degrees? Around 31, 30 degrees. Yo, boy. Oh, 30 flat, okay. 30 degrees right now. Yeah. Yeah, gonna get some food. Yo, the weather changed. I think I'm gonna go. We're gonna go up right now, man. Isn't that 30 degrees Celsius? No, not really. Governor, the grill boss. The phone they have, you know? Half percent, you know? I'll go back up at the top there now, you see it? Yes, Governor, you know I think already.
What's that? I didn't want to look me dog food, me left.
All right, so we're moving. To 35 to 38. Is that degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit? Gonzalo. So it was raining earlier, but no, it's pretty clear, you know. So we're gonna get back to my block. And we're back here, man. We're back in the whole world. Yo. Oh, Celsius. That's crazy though. If 30, 31, 32 degrees Celsius is that hot, imagine 35 to 38, bro. That's crazy. Oh, USA is the only country that using Fahrenheit? Oh. Yeah, okay. Usual spot. This is the spot, yeah. Give me a second. Gonna gonna get some water. 31 is okay? Yeah. Gonna put on my shoes, get some water. I'm gonna show you guys how to build your arm. Doing like everything, otherwise I'm lifting weights. How to build to get a big arm. So we're gonna show you some other things, otherwise some push-ups. Yeah, man. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. All right, so yeah, that was rice. So it was rice, some peas, and fried chicken. My bad, man. Mike was muted. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate you giving me that heads up real quick. All right, so let's kick it off like this. We're gonna do 10 reps on each hand, about 3 sets. Oh dear, okay, all right, nice, nice, nice. Let's kick it off like this. Oh God. Let's start with the left arm. This bicep is injured, still injured. You can feel it. He said push up on a wall. Yeah, something like push up on a wall. Yeah, for real. 'Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you. Appreciate that, man. Yeah, man. It's not a good feeling, Like whenever I'm gonna do like shoulder raise or shoulder, or some other type of workout where it's gonna focus on the bicep. Definitely, you can feel it, man. And feel it like it's tearing. Ten reps. Up. 4. 5. Damage it? I hope not, man. It's just tear, Just tear from I think it's just some a shock. Remember that video when I did 2,000 push-ups? Yeah, ever since that video, it's like I hit a nerve with my tricep, Yeah, I shocked my tricep. I mean my bicep. It's been painful. All right, one more set. 10 reps. Let's get lower. Lower is gonna feel more intense. Up, up. I get check out. Good question, man. Good question. Basically, not yet, man. Not yet. Not yet. But I should, because it can be serious, and we can get worse. I showed you, yeah, for real. That's for real. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's serious, man, for real. That's real talk. Four, one. 10 reps. Two, up, three. Two more. Yeah, man, for real. I have to be careful, man. Cause yeah, we're gonna go lower. So lower is gonna be more intensive, and it's definitely gonna hit the tricep even much better, you know. So let's go lower. So we start from right here. What's it? Wait, right here. Start from right here. Second set right there. So we're gonna do the third set right here. Let's get this started. This is not easy. It's slippery. Yo, bro, that's so slippery. Word. Slippery. I have to go back up with my hand some more. From you, what you puzzle? You know you what me say. From you, that's what I say. Oh, God. Oh, wait. You hearing that song? Oh, way. It's so difficult, you know, streaming in country side, bro. There's always music in the background. That's a Jamaican Butcher Bantan song. I just can't escape music here, bro. It's crazy. We're going to continue another arm. All right, let's finish up. Let's get it. Gonzalo. Yo, Gonzalo, what's good? Oh, yeah. All right, let's do. Check this out. All right. Let's put that right here. Now we're gonna use both arms at the same time. He said I want Wendy's. Yo, the 90 kilo dumbbell. Check this out. All right, let's get it. Let's do 10. That's 8. That right there is for triceps, man. You guys need to try these, bro. If you don't got the gym like me, if you work out at home like me, try these, trust me. Gonzalo, what do you wanna ask? Let's do 10 more. But 5 more. Yo. That he's not good at push-ups. Yes, you are, man. You just need to do it some more. You know? It's not that hard, bro. Trust me, you got this. You got it. I can ball though. I got you, got you, got you. Oh, yeah, man. Oh, he's sticking his head, bro, man. I guess he is. I hope it's nothing crazy. Weird. My G. Ha. Okay, man. I'll say all you, man. By the end of the day, it's none of my business, like, to even care or whatever, you know. Alright, just do what you do, man. It's all good. That's all you, man. It's not my business, you know. I'm just here doing videos, motivate you guys, you know. As well as you all can motivate me as well. Let's get back to this. Let's do maybe 2 more sets. Let's do maybe 2 more sets. Let's go. Do what you do, man. You don't really care. You don't gonna like care what people thinks, man. You just do you, man. You know. Yeah. Enough. Enough. What's good? What's good? What's popping? Anyone watching right now, haven't hit that thumbs up yet. I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up, alright? Gonzalo. I see you, man. Alright, let's finish this up. Appreciate you all, man. How many reps today? I think we hit. To be honest, yo, country ball. How many push-ups do you think we hit already, country ball? Cause I wasn't even counting, man. So I'm just showing you guys. You don't need weights to get bigger arms. All you need is just it's just a playground. That's all you need, man. Like overall, indoor and outside, yeah, all the stream. Oh. Gosh, man. Let's do two more. Is your guess? 100 inside? Alright. It's all good, fair. It's fair, man. So today is not really all about push-ups though, but it's just all about just using what you got to your advantage to build muscle. So if you don't got weights, no, it's not a problem. All right, let's finish this up. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, man. No weights, no problem, boys. Trust me. It's about the gains for real, exactly. Gonzalo. Yeah, country ball. Country ball is real for sure. Aldana, what's good? What's good? We're gonna target. Still gonna target the triceps right here, man. Yes, auntie. Are you gonna use dumbbells? No. I'm not. Not from us. All right. What at 20%? Alright, so my family members are coming from a funeral. And yo, the country ball, check this out. We got some more food here, man. Let's check. I think it's the same fried chicken. Fried chicken and rice. Rice and peas and fried chicken. With some vegetable. Mixed vegetable there. Definitely good for some additional calories later on, you know? Yeah, man. We deliver. My grandmother and my auntie. It's crazy, bro. Yeah. So my phone is at 18% right now, boys. Man, sucks, man. Sucks, bro. Just getting started, man. But we have to end this stream. Still got no power. The power is still out. I can't recharge my phone, so I'm gonna have to end this stream right now. All right, the phone battery is low, 18%, and it's going down. It's on the red. So I appreciate you guys supporting me, man. Appreciate y'all being here. You know, love you all, man. Love, no respect. All right. Yeah, it just sucks, man. I don't know when they're gonna fix this this power, but yeah. I see you all, man. Love you all. Thank you.